Okay, Brian, we're inside your knee. What I'm touching up top is a quad tendon. This is the synovium and some scar tissue, which is not unusual when you have an ACL. Your synovium gets a little thick and fluffy. You also have some arthritis, so that can happen because of that. The cannula allows the water to go out of the knee, and you'll see little floaters going around, little particles of cartilage. I'm going to spin the arthroscope up. I'm going to look at your kneecap. There's your patella. I'm going to refocus. You have some fissuring there, just little cracks in it like the Liberty Bell. Not bad, better than I thought, except over here, a little bit more, but not bad. Here's some scar tissue and a plica on the medial side of the knee. This tissue here is a plica and some scar tissue. And very mild arthritis of the kneecap, which is good. Now we'll look at where the kneecap may, oh, that's not good. See that? There's a whole crater here on the femoral trochlea. Look at the difference here. Up top, just some fissuring. And then as we come to where the kneecap makes contact with the femur, you have down to bone. I'll show you what you see as I flex the knee, right there, central trochlea. Can I have a blunt, please? It's not big, but it's down to bone, which is not good. Right here, and look at that. See, some of the cartilage is loose. So that's down to bone. That's bone that I'm touching there. So I'll use the shaver to trim things up. But that's the arthritis I was concerned about. Now this instrument has suction attached to it. We'll take away some of the loose tissue here so it doesn't break off and get loose bodies and cause a problem in the future. But you can see this is down to bone, which is not good. It's going to be almost twice the size of the shaver. The shaver is 4.2 millimeters. So this is going to be about 7 to 8 millimeters. It's not that big, but it's still significant. You can see that there. So that's the crater that you have. We're going to come down the center of the knee to look to where your ACL reconstruction was in the center of the knee. And there's nothing there, which is what I was expecting. See, there's supposed to be a graft there, and that's what happens when you tear it. There's nothing here. This is the posterior cruciate ligament underneath the synovium. So there's nothing left of your Achilles ACL allograft. And this is the spurs that we see on the x-rays. This is synovium here. That's part of the remnant of your, whatever you have left. That's all you have left of your ACL allograft. We're going to go on the lateral side of the knee, the outside part of the knee. Next, over here, try to look there. See how that is? And the articular surface so far does not look bad. I'm going to, hold on, let me get it. I'm going to flex it. Let it go nice and easy. Let it go, Brian. I'm flexing the knee just so I can see the articular surface down to 90 degrees, which is good. Hold it there. And here's the lateral meniscus right here. And we'll need you to get to the posterior horn of your meniscus. Looks like it's been taken out before. Yeah, you had a partial lateral meniscectomy before on the posterior horn. There's a little bit of chondrosis there in the lateral tibial plateau. So part of your posterior horn was removed before, just a little bit. That's typically where the tears occur with the ACL. So that's what's no ACL. Not bad in terms of arthritis laterally. Going to go to the medial side, which is where I expect to see the meniscus tear. This is scar tissue here. There is the meniscus. And as we go to the back, that's where the tear is. What we expected was nice is the articular surface of the femur looks pretty good, but you're going to have a flap tear all the way in the back of the meniscus here. And you can see it actually starts breaking down here. That's where the tear starts. And then it goes all the way over here to the back. A split horizontal tear here. And then there's a little flap